Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Science Python Libraries. Numpy part 5th is that by Dr. Anil Kumar, Associate Professor, CSE Department. So previously we have discussed about the part 4, third and first, second about the how Numpy import, how you can basic operations you can process in Numpy. Now you can do the following operations in these videos that are list to array, joining in NumPy, splitting, specific shape and data types, as well as line spacing through NumPy operations. So first we have start about the line space. For line space, here we have write down the comments. Line space, we have create NumPy dot line space. Very simple. That is first required to import NumPy as how we can do it. So here we have seen that the array 15 from 10 to 30 line specific here. From starting from 10 and upper value that are 13, this initial values is what? That is a 10. And upper values that is a 30, 30 is there. And 5 components we have divided. So 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Suppose that we are going more components, then what happens? Suppose that array 16, you have formed that NumPy line space of 10, 30 with 10 components. Then what they are printing? Print array 16. So here you have seen that you have total 10 to 30, 10 components, means 10 elements we have required. So they have divided from 10 to 12.22, then 14.44, then 16.66, then 18.88, 21.11, then 3.33, 25.55, 27.77, then 30. So total 10 component elements are that. So similarly, you have divided the number of elements on behalf of your requirement. From beginning range you have provided and upper range you have provided. So that is depending on you as per the requirements is there. So line space, it is clear for the basic operations. Second one is that we can perform the joining options. Joining. So previously we have already performed the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations, basic operations of arithmetic. Here we are doing the joining options. So for joining options, we must require to create two array. So array 17, that is array NumPy dot array, that is array we are forming. That means 2, 6, 9. Another array is that we are creating array 18, that is a NumPy dot array 4, 7, 11. Okay. Now we are printing the array. Print array 17 and array 18. Okay, both array we are printing. Now we are performing the joining operations. For joining operations, we perform NumPy dot concatenate of both array 17 as well as array 18. We have assigned them new array, that is array 19. Now we can print them. Print array 19. So array 19, that is a joining of array 17 and 18. Okay, you have seen here array 17 first part, that is a 0th element 2 is there, and array 18 0th element is a 4. Similarly 6, 7, then 9 and 11. So 3 elements in array 17, similarly 3 elements in array 18. So they are joining 2, 6, 9. After that, second array, that is 4, 7, 9. So that is means you are concatenate the array, joining the array. Next operation we are going for splitting the array. How you can perform the splitting the array? So splitting the array means you are dividing the array in parts. So for this particular operations, you have do new array 20 that we have formed, that is a numpy dot array split operation of which array we are performing? Array. Suppose that array 17 we have taken and we are divided array 17 in 3 parts. Suppose that. And after that, we are printing the array 20. So 3 elements are in array 17, that is 2, 6, 9. So and 3 parts we have divided. So 1 element array on this array 2, array 6, array 9 is there. Suppose that more elements are there, then how they have formed? Array 21 is that numpy dot array. Suppose that 2, 5, 4, 11, 9, 1, 45, 32, 44, 70. Here we are creating the array. Now we are forming new array with splitting them. Array underscore split is there. After split, array split is there. After split, you can perform array 21 with 3. We can also form with 5, suppose that. Then after that, we can print array 22. Then what happened? How many elements in array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elements. Arguments indicates of sections. Array 21. First we are printing 10 elements in array. After that we are providing in 2 parts. Splitting them. Oh, sorry. Okay. Similarly, if we have formed, so split the array in 2 parts, that is array 2, 5, 4, 7, 9. First part, second part is our array. Similarly, if we are splitting 5 parts, array 23, that is numpy dot array underscore split of array 21 with 5 parts, and we are printing array 23. So 2 elements in each and every array they have provided. So that are the next operation is that specific shape. So we are providing the specific shape and the data types to the array. How we can perform specific shape and data types? By using numpy dot either empty 0 or 1, 3 options are that. So here we have start from the empty 0, 1. Then we are providing the shape. Suppose that we are providing the shape of array 3 with 2, and the data types we have given data types that is a integer type. Either we have provided the float type and so on. Then we are printing the array 24, that equal. We just print array 24. So they are printing as per the empty they have provided with 3 cross 2 matrix are that and integer values are. Similarly, we have do with floating values array 25. That is what we are doing. We are creating the numpy array of specific range we have provided. Suppose that again we are considering 3 cross 2 and data types we have provided data types that is a float, and print the array 25. That is the data type with array 25 is there. They are providing the data types of array. Again, we can perform with array like another options is that is 0 and so on. So we have performed with 0 and other options. So numpy empty previously we have done with 3 cross 2 d types with float. Okay, floating values are banned. So the floating values they are showing. Now in place of the empty, we must put up either 1, 0 as per the requirement. So suppose that we are creating new array 26, that is a numpy dot zeros. Zeros is there. Again we are creating the array size 3 cross 2 and data types we have provided with array. Suppose that float values are that float values, and again we have given the order of the array, that is okay. After that we can print the array 26. Here we have seen that typo mistake. Okay, here we have seen that they have created the array 3 cross 2 with zeros, floating value 0, and put up the zeros value. Similarly, we can do with 1 values are that. So array 27, that is numpy dot once we have formed 3 cross 2 matrix 3 cross 2. Again, data types we have considered float. Now, either we have taken the integer. Now we have print the array 27. So they are creating the array like this. Now, another operations, lot operations of these lecture sessions, that is a list to array. How you have formed list to array. So basically, a list is created with double quote and array with brackets are that. Middle bracket list is there and array with lower brackets are that. So first we have formed the list 1, that is we have created with 5 elements. Okay, after that we can create the array 28, that is a numpy dot array of list 1. After that we can print both terms. When we are printing list 1, then what happened when we are printing with array 28? Then what happened? If when we are printing the list 1, then what happened? And when we are printing the array, then what happened? So both things we are printing. When we are printing the list, we have finding that values are these 4, 2, 3, 7, 8 is there. But when we are printing the array 28, that is converted from the list to array, they are 4, 2, 3, 7, 8. So that's the list to array conversions. Thank you, class.